Hey guys, I wanted to show you an update on our York region basement. Today the electricians are all done and all the pot lights were in, all the switches and plugs has been wired. They're not installed yet, but they will be after the painting stage will be done. So I want to show you guys around and show you what we have going on. Now you see we got some plugs right here. This used to be a fireplace. All of these were cut out. We have to fix the vapor barrier of this whole wall after. Over here we have two pot lights that are wired in one switch. All the pot lights over here and over here, they're on another switch. And finally, we have a third switch controlling the exterior light. So this area will be one. Coming over here, this is one switch over here, and this is where the future couch will go. So all these pot lights plus that one are on one switch looking at this TV wall. Coming over here, we have two pot lights for the storage room. This used to be a storage room, but it'll actually become a playroom for the kid, because when we come in here, have a nice understair area that will be framed in with two pot lights, one here, and it'll end somewhere over here, and then we come out this way. So this will become a new kids play area with a door, little window, one overhead light. And this wall will be sort of the access wall when the plumber does need to get some access to the clean out. Here we have the cold room. We just temporarily reuse the two old bulbs for now. Give it some lights. But these are gonna get new light fixtures also. Coming over here, the bathroom. Looks great. We have one pot light. Another one have the driver put in already. I'm gonna drywall it, and then most likely the shower will end up over here, and then the pot light will be on this side of this lumber. Behind the toilet, that's gonna be for the future toilet seat. All right, let me know if there's any other questions. We're going to be starting the vapor and insulation barrier. I'm going to drywall, tape, and mud, and things will be going good.